Welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to solve a problem. So we are given a binary tree in which each node contains an integer value. So this is the binary tree 10, 5, minus 3. The path does not need to start or end at the root or a leaf, but it must go downwards. Find the number of paths that sum to a given value. So we have to find the number of paths that sum to a given value. Like here we have a sum of 8. So 5 plus 3, 8. So path is 5 and 3. Here 5, 2, 1. So 5 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 8. Here minus 3, 11 equal to 8. So this is the path, minus 3, 11. So let's code it in Python. So we have to take two cases. One case is that we have to include the root, and the second case is that we don't have to include the root. So let's code it. So let's create a function. Define root, we'll take the root and the sum. If the root is none, then we return 0. So now we will take one case. If root value of root equal to sum, return no. Here we have to take one variable. Let's take result. Then we will increment the result. Plus equal to 1. Yeah. So how many times the sum is equal to that sum? How many paths we will find out. So first we will look at the left side. Root dot left sum minus root dot well. Then right side then we have to return the result. So then another case is that we have to not include the root. If it is none, then we will return 0, and if it is not none, then it will return path sum to the left side dot left sum plus path root and sum plus self dot path to the right side, or is this the right, and sum. So let's check. I think it should run. So there is a problem. Let's see. So solution part has no part. So I have that part. So here we have to take the path sum. So it is path sum. It equals the first one. So let's run the code. Yeah, so it is run. So let's submit the code. So it got accepted. So let's see the detail. So you beat no, so you have a runtime of less runtime error. So let's edit the code again. So we have a runtime time complexity of order of n. So I think it helps. Thanks.